Hey everyone, Couch Investor back to another Tesla video for today. So Tesla is going to explode in 2022 and Elon Musk actually agrees with it. So at the start of this year, I tweeted out that after listening to the Tesla earnings call, one thing is certain. Demand is not an issue, supply is. And we've seen that throughout this year. I continued by saying that if they had enough batteries, we would see crazy numbers. I expect 2021 to be explosive. But 2022 is really when the fun starts. Exciting times ahead, thanks Elon Musk. Little did I know that Elon Musk took some time out of his day and replied to the tweet with a simple yes. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this was probably the highlight of my year, but Tesla has been executing like crazy this year. Despite all the global challenges out there, Tesla has been delivering records after record each and every quarter. Now, they've been proving Wall Street wrong for a while, and that's probably one of the main reasons why Elon Musk sent that recent emails to their employee discussing those end of quarter delivery rushes. Now, we're going to have a quick look at that email. I'm going to touch on some key points, then touch on why 2022 will be explosive. So it starts the email by saying that per my email several weeks ago, our focus this quarter should be on minimizing cost of deliveries, rather than spending heavily on expedite fees, overtime, and temporary contractors just so that cars arrive in Q4. And he ended the email by saying we will still have quite a big wave of deliveries in the last few weeks of December, as we don't yet have high volume production in Europe or Texas, which means a lot of cars on boats from China to Europe and on trucks raised from California to the East Coast arriving late in the quarter. But this is nonetheless the right time to start reducing the size of the wave in favor of a steadier and more efficient pace of deliveries. The right principle is take the most efficient action as though we were not publicly traded and the notion of end of quarter didn't exist. Now, to me, this is another crucial step by Tesla and another big step towards the future of what the company will become. Because in the past, we all know that Tesla wanted to show Wall Street what they're capable of, because Wall Street was really ready to tank the stock after every misstep by the company. Right now, especially in 2021, we can all say that Tesla has been proving Wall Street wrong completely. What will that mean for the future? That means higher return on investment capital by minimizing cost of delivery, which is great. Now, don't get me wrong, this will not mean that suddenly your order will get delayed by 6 months because they will stop the rush at the end of the quarter. No, you might not get your car at the end of the quarter, but you will certainly get your car at the beginning of next one. And as for investors, it's great to see that they will stop with this quarter over quarter thinking. If you're in it for the long term, think long term. Don't think quarter over quarter. It's great to see that the company as well will stop thinking about investors each and every day. Over the long term is much more important. And now before we jump into the second part of the video, I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You all know how much I love researching new stocks and trying to find the next best investment. So I'm proud to partner with The Motley Fool to bring you 10 free stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Now, Stock Advisor has beat the market by more than 4x. So all you have to do is go to fool.com/couchinvestor to get your free 10 stock picks now. And now with regards to Berlin, Texas, the Tesla Semi. So we had some news actually coming out with regards to Berlin. Electrek here reported that Tesla is rumored to get green light at Gigafactory Berlin any day. Already some Model Ys produced. So this is great. Imagine if they start producing some Model Ys already this year and the ramp up will start next year as well. They continue by saying here, production will slowly start in December and Tesla aim to ramp up 1,000 units per week in January. However, the production ramp is expected to take a while and the automaker reportedly doesn't expect Gigafactory Berlin to contribute more than 30,000 vehicles to Tesla's production during the first half of 2022. Now, obviously, I don't expect 100,000 vehicles to come out of Berlin right away. But if we look at what Shanghai has done in the last couple of quarters, in the last couple of years, you know what we can expect from Berlin, and Berlin is much bigger as well. And now with regards to the Tesla Semi, earlier this month, there was this article that came out that said that Pepsico to take delivery of Tesla electric trucks in the fourth quarter. Now back in 2017, they reserved 100 of Tesla's electric semi-trucks as it sought to reduce fuel costs and fleet emissions. Now when this came out, this probably surprised a lot of us because, well, Tesla Semi wasn't supposed to start production or even deliveries before 2022. But actually, if you've been following some Tesla action on YouTube or on Twitter, you know that those Tesla semi-trucks have been seen in the wild for a while now. So it doesn't really surprise me that this might happen in Q4. This might just be a handful of semi-trucks. This might be 10 or maybe 20. This certainly will not be 100. This will probably be a pilot delivery of some sort, and then let's see how that evolves over time. Now, as for the Cybertruck, I believe we will have to wait until late 2022 to actually start seeing some production for the Cybertruck. Now, what will make Tesla explode next year is probably Berlin, Texas ramping up, which means more cars getting out of the door, more cars getting on the road as well, which will also mean probably more FSD subscription, Tesla insurance, which by the way will make the cost of your car less than other cars, because let's say you want to buy a Ford or another car, whatever, you will still have to pay insurance on that, and probably higher insurance than the one you will get from Tesla, because if you're a safe driver and you have a high score, Tesla will probably make you pay much less, which means that the overall cost of your vehicle will also cost less, which will also mean that if somebody is thinking of buying a new car, they might consider buying a Tesla because the insurance will be less, which means the overall cost of you buying a new vehicle will be less as well. So to conclude, like I said in the tweet and Elon confirmed it, 2021 was nice. I believe it was an introduction of what we can expect in 2022, and that's really when the fun starts. Now let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are for Tesla on 2022, maybe 2023 as well. Let me know down in the comments below. And if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.